Do you show your emotions on your face? Well, there are a variety of common emotions you might show. You might show a friendly wink. Yeah, you might show a friendly wink. Or you might show disappointment with a wrinkled brow. A wrinkled brow. You might show suspicion with a raised brow. Really? Really? With a raised brow, you might show suspicion. Or you might show a little bit of anger with the evil eye. Yeah, you might give someone the evil eye. That's right. Some people call the evil eye the stink eye. It's the same thing. Well, they say the eyes are the window to your soul. I hope my eyes look happy. My soul is happy. Have a great day.